Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam Kioshian, and today we're going to decorate for spring. We're going to do some spring cleaning, and I cannot wait to show you all of the goodies and treasures that I found in Home Goods and in TJ Maxx. So if you want to do this with me, stick around. Let's start right away. This is my living room. It is right next to my foyer in the entrance. It is smaller than it looks, but I have you on wide angle lens so that you can get a good view of the whole room. So this is the before. Let's transform it by adding bright, happy spring colors. To me, that is blues and pinks and pastel yellows. The couches are very dark, so I want to lighten them up by adding some springy or Easter couch pillows, florals. Needs that pop of color just to make it feel less dark and monochromatic, but I want to get a table over here. Hopefully I can find one in stores, and then we have to decorate here with something that Cooper's not going to mess too much with, and clean the windows over there. I don't know if you can tell, but they are disgusting. So that definitely is going to be part of the spring cleaning. One last look. I cannot wait to show you the after because it's going to just look more vibrant. But first, let's clean it up and prep the area. My first stop was TJ Maxx, one of my favorite stores. There is where I bought the majority of things that I got, like this beautiful periwinkle blue flower couch pillow and a bright floral one you'll see next. Back to decorating the room. This is the other couch pillow. It is floral and bright, and I think I'm going to keep the tags just because I don't know if it's going to go good with my couch or if the color combination is going to vibe with the other pillows. Okay, so I really like this blue, but it's different than my rug blue, and it's different than this one. I think these blues go together better, but I love these. I don't know if it goes with that. Maybe it's too much print, so I'm thinking that I'm going to have to also get a cover for this one, because I really do like these two a lot. All right, so I have the bunny pillow over there, and then these two over here. I love how these two look. I don't think it matches that, so I might just like buy in Amazon a cover. I have my tape measure here just so that I can measure like correctly. So with the magic of editing, let's fast forward to when I received a package the next day. I ordered some covers from Amazon, and these are velvety. The color I love. I don't know if I would recommend them though. I ordered the same exact size as my cushion inserts, and they kind of ripped in the zipper, so they're not the best quality, and that's the reason why I don't want to recommend them. So just do your research if you want to buy some couch cushions, but at the same time it did work for the meantime, and I think it looks super good with these colors, with the blues and the pinks, the blushes, all the pastels for Easter. So this is the after, and I love it. It is subtle, but I will be adding more as the month progresses. This centerpiece was created with items I already own. Other than that, I think the winter blues are definitely gone from this room, and I accomplished what I wanted. Next, let's move into the kitchen, but before I do, I need to put on a load of laundry. This is my front porch, and I'm really hoping that I can actually take the covers off of these cushions and throw them in the wash. They are full of dirt, and usually we cover them, but I want to sit here in the mornings in the spring and just admire the flowers and all the green. So Let's see if I can pull it off.
Uma nova ferida, mas como até que de mato nasce uma flor. Muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. Eu que pensava que era engano.
Now we're going to update my coffee bar, and here is the before. I'm going to refresh this area by taking down the Valentine's Day decor. I have a few decorations, Easter decorations that I already owned, like Ray Dunn mugs, this carrot garland, some straw figurines, and other little dollar decorations. I'm using this method, grapefruit cleaner, to refresh my coffee bar area.
Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz. Alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás.
Now that it's clean and before we start decorating, let's head back to TJ Maxx and let me show you all of the goodies that I found. My vision for the coffee bar is just to add a pop of color and grab some florals and Easter bunnies as well as some chinaware. Now let me show you what I got from the stores. I fell in love with these little adorable wooden bunnies, some florals from TJ Maxx, pink tulips and purple hydrangeas. Now look at this gorgeous Easter egg. It reminds me of ginger jars. I also found this checkered bunny and this puffy trio of adorable chicks. And right there in the back, a velvety soft green bunny, some cute napkins for my kids' lunches, and then look at these kind of hand-painted wooden eggs. This ceramic floral arrangements. I don't know guys, I'm really into all the shades of blue this Easter and the pastels. I also bought this serveware duo. This is kind of like for cream to add to your coffee. And I believe this is the sugar container. A flower vase, by the way, everything is from TJ Maxx. And the most adorable iridescent daisy mug. I'm a huge sucker for mugs, you guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do with myself. I cannot wait to show you the after because it just makes me smile from ear to ear and it makes me so happy every time I make myself a cup of coffee. I'm starting by curating the mugs that I'm going to be using the most in this 3-tier shelf I have over here. And basically what I want to add in the cabinets that have the glass is just like cake stands and some wine glasses or barware, things that are not mugs. I've gone on Pinterest to like get an idea, but I would love to hear from you. What should I add in those cabinets with the glass? I basically want to get rid of all of my mugs and be very selective of what I store in there. I always have a really hard time on decorating these shelves. I think they looked really nice for Christmas and then for Valentine's Day it all went downhill, so I have no idea, but I'm trying to incorporate like greens, and then there's a yellow egg over here, yellow, and then pinks, and then the purple blue. I kept the dining table very simple with this floral arrangement, but this is how the coffee station / coffee bar looks. I did switch around a few things, added some books, some gold detailing, and omitted some other decorations so that it didn't look too overcrowded and so that there was a balance of colors. Later that night, my husband brought me some flowers, and I decided that they were going to be part of the spring decorations because the colors were perfect for welcoming the spring. I'm so ready to welcome the spring, you guys. I just want it to be colorful and lively and happy in my home. So yeah, and then this is a really close up because my kitchen was looking super dirty, but then I'm like, you know what? Whatever. We all have dirty kitchens sometimes. So this is how the floral arrangement looks. I love it. I think I'm going to put it in the middle of my island. The next day, I started decorating my kitchen and using this little tweet jar. I usually have my dog's food in this corner, so I just filled it with his kibble. And I hanged the carrot garland in this window. I think it looks really festive and I really like it. And it goes really well with these two figurines, so they are going to live in this window nook. I thought I was going to have enough decorations to cover the whole house, but everything literally just was used in the coffee station. So it's going to be very minimal from now on, but I still like how these bunnies are living here next to my stove. I've had them for a couple years, so I'm glad I could use them. I'm keeping it very simple with just the springy flowers and a velvety bunny figurine in the middle of my island. For the next part of my kitchen, I went to Hobby Lobby and I was really surprised that I didn't really find a lot of things, but I did find some wreaths for the back of my kitchen stools. I think also it was so crowded, so I didn't really get to see everything. But I did though, in fact, take that home, and this almost came with me. So what do we think of the wreaths behind the island stools? I don't know if it's like too much just because it is Easter, but I think it looks kind of cute. I haven't taken the tags off just because I don't know if I'm going to return them or keep them. Let me put you like this. What do you think? Let me give you another view. Usually I do this for like Christmas, like Christmas wreaths, but I think this looks colorful and very playful, whimsical also a little bit. I kind of like it. I was very sure that I was not gonna keep it. Chloe, you like it? The little wreaths that are on the back.
Oh yeah, it's like a little Christmas thing.
But they're Easter eggs. And then I have another wreath that I'm going to put over here. Let me show you the after of the whole kitchen. On the dining table, I kept this tulip floral arrangement and also this cross that says he is risen, as well as a beautiful cross painting, both from Hobby Lobby. Overall, I think it looks clean and minimal, but at the same time, I can see the touches of spring. Let's go ahead and decorate the foyer. I bought this entry table at Home Goods and I love it. It has a lot of space when you open the doors. I tend to just store like my seasonal decorations there. So I grabbed some stuff that I thought it would work and I started decorating with those wooden bunnies, and then I found this basket at a thrift store and I just filled it with those wooden eggs. I think it looks natural, earthy, organic. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you really liked it and you got ideas on what is out in stores right now. And if you did, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and share it, like it. I will see you on my next video with more decorating tips.